you fancy a weekend in Scotland? Historic, graceful lands, and a warm welcome? Well, do not go to Scotland, because all you will find is drunken wankers, rain and minus 25-degree winters. I have lived here the best part of 30 years, and every morning when I wake, I think about suicide. Magaluf, Spain, France, Ireland. Actually fuck Ireland. But why on earth would you come here when you could go there? You stupid British bastards. Fuck off and let us perish in peace.
They can't fucking tell you if you go fucking out of there.
In at number 11 this week, guys, we have Gone Savage. The track I'm going to play for you tonight is called Love Caught Me Out. Absolute cracking tune, guys. Do dig them up on Facebook, and also listen and like their tunes. These are really working hard at the minute and making a massive comeback.
Round Sound Radio Top 20.
Dave Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsigned and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Hecate, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
Right, and at number 10 this week, guys, we have another massive band, which again I assume are going to be within the top 5 very shortly. I'll actually tell you, this band have already started kicking off and sharing like mad, so yeah, chart's gonna really big shake up next week. This one is by Kingdom. It's in at number 10. The track is called One by One. What a monster.
Take your thoughts, write them
round town, round town, round town. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right on round town radio. All your classics, touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Town Radio.
Brilliant stuff. It was so hard at the top 20. The Johns have just sent me an inbox. I'll get in touch with you after the show, guys. Just asking me where the music is on the website. The answer is simply, it's not, I'm afraid. The only music on the website now is the top 20. However, like I say, how that's going to happen in future, I'm going to play your songs again, and that will give you a chance to start gaining a bit of momentum and get you into the charts. Right, anyway, meanwhile, at number 9, who is our number 9? It's the Madding Crowd. It's called God's Greatest Flaw. Have a gadget. This is absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful.